Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that can significantly boost your productivity on Android devices. Well, that's where keep-on-screen applications come into play. Let's explore how these tools can help you stay organized and efficient. A keep-on-screen application for Android is designed to help users keep certain content, such as notes, reminders, or important information, visible on their device's screen at all times. This type of app typically allows users to create floating windows or overlays that can be positioned anywhere on the screen, ensuring that essential information is easily accessible while multitasking or using other applications. These applications often come with features such as customization options, the ability to resize or move the floating window, and sometimes even support for various types of content, including text, images, or lists. They are particularly useful for individuals who need to reference information frequently without having to switch back and forth between different apps, enhancing productivity and organization. Thanks for watching. We hope this insight into keep-on-screen applications has inspired you to try one out and enhance your multitasking experience.